Hi guys! My boyfriend and his youngest daughter were just in the living room talking about a TV show while I was sitting behind the computer when I heard Lookie chirping extremely enthusiastically. And when she does this, it's because she wants to join the conversation and get some attention. I wasn't able to catch the extreme enthusiastic chirping, but I was able to catch some less enthusiastic chirping at the end, because you know this always happens. Your pet does something special and you want to catch it on camera, but obviously you're not a filming ninja, even though I claim to be in my videos, but I'm not. So I was only able to catch a little part of the chirping, and I decided to make a video about this behavior because someone asked me if Lookie and I communicate, and actually we do. And in this video you're gonna see part of that communication, because there are lots of things that Lookie does to tell me things, and this was just one of them. So the chirping meant she wanted to join in the interaction. So I started talking to her and she answered back. And then I take my camera and I go stand in front of her. And at that point she was confused, because barn owls don't see very well from up close. And when I put my hand in front of her perch, she was confused and she thought it was food. So in the description box down below, I'll put the timing plus some comment about what is happening, because you need to read these comments to understand what's going on. But as an introduction to this video, I'm just already kind of explaining what you're about to see. Then I would like you to read the comments in the description box to be able to fully understand what's going on, and then continue watching this video, please. So the first images is Lookie chirping and me talking to her and she answering back. The second image is me standing in front of Lookie with the camera and holding my hand in front of the perch. At this point she's confused because barn owls don't see very well from up close, so she thinks it's food, and I could tell by her body language that she would bite me if I would try to pet her on the chest, because she was searching for food. I think she actually bit me in the video, not very hard though, but it's not behavior that you should accept. And at a certain point I take her beak and just shake it gently, just to show her that I am not scared of her. And then you'll see long footage of me and Lookie having an intense cuddling moment. Because the reason she's biting me in the beginning of the video isn't because she's aggressive or anything, it's because I was standing so close in front of her that she couldn't see if I had any food with me or not. And she got a bit confused and bitchy, but I know her, I know that she wanted to cuddle, so I just took her from her perch, and as soon as she knew that it was me and that we were about to cuddle, she just fully enjoyed the moment, you'll see. So yeah, I wanted to make a video about that. Please go read the comments in the description box down below, and then I'll show you the images. Bye! Are you enthusiastic? Yes? Yes? Are you enthusiastic and friendly? Yes. Lookie, are you having a good day? Kom dan. Kom dan. Springt er dan op? Springt er dan op? Kom dan. Kom dan. Lookie. Nee, dat mag niet. Nee. natuurlijk de hond. Zet je dat zo aan het filmen, dat je dat duidelijk is dat hij op mijn borst is en dat hij op mijn hand staat? Die kleine piepjes. Fiebe, stop eens even met lawaai maken.
Dat is een hond, dat was Fiebe.
Sorry Fiebe. Goed, of stoppen nog?
Oh, goed zo.